Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying in playing games with your friends. But don't waste the time. Please learn some more interesting and healthy habits which makes you strong in your future life. Listening is an art, and if you are master in it, surely you are going to be a good speaker. A good listener is always good speaker. So listen English every day 20 minutes in the morning. You will become automatically a good speaker in English. So, students, don't waste the time, unnecessary work. Okay, students, now all of you open your English textbook, class 4, My English World. Students, please observe the picture. What is this? Yeah, it is a mouse. A mouse can be distinguished from a rat by its larger ears and longer tail compared to its body length than the rat. Usually mouses are in grey color. Rats are those who lives outside the house. Mice are those who lives inside the house. Rats are those which are larger in size compared to the mouse. Okay, students, now all of you open the page number 55. Students, please observe the picture carefully. What is in the picture? What is in the picture? Yes, there is a mouse in the picture. Students, please think and give me right answer. What did the mouse see? Yeah, the mouse saw an animal tail behind the bushes. Next picture. Let's observe the picture and give me right answer. Who can give me the right answer? Can you read the question loudly? Yes, what is the mouse doing? This is the question. Yes, the mouse is trying to drag the tail. The mouse is trying to drag the tail. Shall we move to the next picture? Question is, what do you think? What would happen next? The answer is, I think lion came out from the bushes. Lion came out from the bushes. Moo. Can anyone guess? Is there a lion? No, no one will expect it. The next question, what would happen finally? Answer is the lion might be in angry mood and the mouse would have pleaded. The lion might be in angry mood and the mouse would have pleaded. No one stays quiet in someone disturbs them. The lion, the king of the forest, after all, a small animal mouse dragged the tail, but the mouse pleaded and begged the lion. Finally, the lion left the mouse. Yes, the lion left the mouse. Now, students, write the story below. Now, all of you write the story on given lines with neat and good handwriting. Yeah, someone wrote, I will read it. All of you listen and see in your textbook. Once upon a time, there was a mouse. One day, the mouse saw a tail behind the bushes. The mouse is trying to drag the tail. The mouse thought that it was grass or some rope, but actually it was the tail of a lion. The lion came out in angry mood, but however the mouse pleaded that lion. Finally, the lion left the mouse. Otherwise, the lion would have killed the mouse. So, don't do the work blindly. Think and do. This is the moral of the story. Don't do the work blindly. Think